Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried cabbage with pork.
Just look at this. Simple, tasty, and the perfect dish to go with a big bowl of rice. A true home-style classic that you can whip up in no time after work.
Alright, let's get started.
First, I'm separating the cabbage leaves from the stems. Slice the leaves into pieces and put them aside. Then cut the stems on a diagonal and keep them in another plate. Next, I'm using some pork leg meat. You can also use pork belly if you prefer. I'm slicing the lean and the fatty parts separately and keeping them apart, because we will be stir-frying them at different times later. For extra flavor and color, I'm also slicing up some carrot. And for aromatics, we will need chopped scallions, minced garlic, and a few dried chilies.
That's it for prep. By the way, I've listed all the ingredients and measurements down in the description if you want to follow along later. Now, let's cook.
No need to add oil to the wok. Just toss in the fatty pork we sliced earlier and let it render out some of that fat. Once that's done, add the lean slices and stir fry until they change color. Then toss in the scallions and the dried chilies and let them sizzle to bring out that amazing aroma. Now, add the napa stems first. Stir fry on high heat until they start to soften. Then add the cabbage leaves. Keep stir frying until the leaves wilt down. Time to season. Add 1.5 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and a little bit oyster sauce. Mix that all together. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of MSG to bring out the flavor. Next, toss in the carrot slices. Add half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce to give this dish a nice color. Keep stirring until everything is well combined. Now add the minced garlic. Give it a quick fry for that punchy aroma. Then drizzle 1 tablespoon of vinegar around the edge of the wok. Stir it through. And finally, add a little potato starch slurry so the sauce lightly coats all the ingredients. Stir everything well, and we are done. Wow, look at that! Doesn't it just make you want to grab some chopsticks right away?
Let me taste it for you. So fragrant. The pork is savory and the cabbage is tender. And it's just perfect over hot rice. Trust me, one bowl won't be enough. If you feel the Chinese takeout you get isn't that authentic, try cooking with me here. Everything I share is true Chinese home cooking. Simple ingredients, easy methods, but full of flavor. Even if you've never been to China, you can cook these dishes at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.